The CellGate reader side mount can be used with any Watchman device, though WXL models must specifically use the longer sidearm mount. The installation process is designed to be completed by a single person. Begin with the gooseneck mount as your starting point. Take the side mount and position it onto the front of the gooseneck. You'll need to secure it using 4 bolts and nuts. For each bolt, first twist the nut halfway down the bolt. Then slide the end of the bolt through the corresponding hole in the mount. Once inserted, twist the nut all the way back to secure it firmly in place. Repeat this process with all 4 nuts and bolts until the side mount is firmly attached to the gooseneck. From the top view, you'll notice how the device components connect together with the side mount. The front view displays the proper alignment of the reader and mounting hardware when correctly installed. Position the reader unit against the side mount and align the screw holes. Insert the remaining screws through the designated holes and tighten them securely. Connect the wiring as detailed in the installation guide, ensuring all cable connections are properly made and secured according to the wiring diagram in the main installation documentation. Upon completion of the wiring, attach the reader face plate with 6 screws. Then, attach the WXL device to the mount, making sure to run the wiring through the center of the device. This side mounting solution provides a convenient way to install your WXL or other Watchman device, creating a stable and secure setup while allowing for proper functionality of all components.